Hi you guys, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I just wanted to share with you guys a fun thing I was kind of doing with my daughter for the holidays. You guys might know Kate, and her sister Audrey bought her this adorable little puppy for Christmas, and she happened to be around when we bought it and knew that we were getting it for her. So it's not like a surprise gift, but we made a deal with her that, you know, she could see it and we'd buy it, and then she'd just have to wait until Christmas to get it. And when we were buying it, actually, she was pretty funny because she really was okay with the idea, thinking that she really wanted it for Christmas. And she didn't mind waiting, but she wanted to make a deal with me that she'd give me about the equivalent of $20 if I let her sleep with him for one night to snuggle, and then she had to wait, put him away and wait until Christmas. And I just couldn't stop laughing at her. Like, you don't need to do that, you know. And so she raised the money. She's like, okay, I'll give you $100. I'm like, you don't have to give me any money. It's fine. You can see him tonight, and then we'll have him go on his way. And it just seemed sort of sad to have him just, you know, in a box waiting. So she made a cute little cage for him to sit in and put some food and some, you know, fake food and stuff in there for him, and some blankets to snuggle with and stuff like that. And I said, you know, I think he'd probably rather go on a vacation. Maybe he'd like to go see the world while he's waiting for you on Christmas. So I got a few things ready to send to her as emails here, and I'll show you the pictures in a second. So I decided to have him visit some fun countries along his trips here. He gets to go to Tokyo, of course, and then from there to China. And after seeing the Great Wall, he'll go to Singapore. And then I thought after that he could visit the Philippines, and then possibly Indonesia, and then take a really big plane ride all the way to France, to Paris, and then London, and then hop on over to New York to see the Statue of Liberty. So these are some things I thought would be kind of fun to make waiting a little better and easier, and also to make it so that she could possibly get a chance, you know, we can talk about the different countries that he's visiting and kind of look at some of the pictures and stuff. It can be a fun way to learn about different places and also help make the time pass as she waits for Christmas. So I thought I'd just share it with you guys, and I hope you all have a very happy and safe holidays, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!